2020 FTA, 2020 probation, 2019 trespass conviction, 2 more 2019 trespass convictions, 2019 shoplifting conviction, 2019 shoplifting no-low, failure to appear, another trespass conviction, 2016 trespass conviction, 2 FTAs from 2015. I think he's homeless.
Yes, Mr. Allen.
Thank you, Your Honor. This incident date was yesterday at 12870 Highway 9 in Alpharetta. This is the Kroger. Officers found the defendant asleep under the covered patio. The manager at the store called the police, said the defendant had been criminal trespass earlier that day, had returned to the business, and was found to be sleeping on the right side of the business. The state is looking for a signature bond through pretrial. I'm going to request a social worker visit if his defense attorney is inclined to that. Stay away from the Kroger located at 12870 Highway 9 in Alpharetta, and no drugs, alcohol, weapons while on bond.
Mr. McLean,
No objection, Your Honor. Thank you.
does he have a place, is he gonna need some assistance with housing? Does he have a place where he can get communication?
His family sort of takes care of him, but yet he is homeless simultaneously. I reached his mom, so it's sort of a contradictory thing. They try to keep up with him and give him help whenever he checks by and make sure he's fed. But it needs to be a better situation than that, certainly.
Okay, I just don't want to set him up for failure, as far as not being able to meet the requirements.
Right.
And I would feel more comfortable if you could speak with somebody that, or get him some services. I think what I want to do,
Right.
Kasha, are you on the line with me?
She was. She was earlier.
Okay.
There she is. There we go.
Thank you, Kasha. Can you or have someone, you or someone, speak with him and see if we can get him some services? I think what I want to do is, I don't want to keep him in jail, but I don't want to set him up for failure, to see if we can get him some help or if he needs some other types of assistance. Ms. Champion, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Can we put him as an add-on to my SAP calendar on Tuesday? Will that give you enough time, Kasha, to look into getting him services, or if he requires anything further? Okay, I think you're saying yes. You're not coming through there, but I think that you said yes for me. So why don't we do that? It's going to be at this point in time, a $500 good bond. Have a social worker visit so that we can maybe get him stabilized in some way. Stay away from that Kroger on Highway 9, and no drugs, alcohol, weapons while out on bond. And Kasha, if you could speak with me on Tuesday regarding this matter, I'd appreciate it. Okay, Mr. Dobbs, I'm going to see you back on Tuesday. All right, thank you, sir. Who do we have next?
Judge, I have position 9, but he wasn't on the pull sheet, so he would need to get interviewed.
Okay.
You have to get interviewed.
Who's handling Mr. Kareem?
Your Honor, that was a transfer from Superior Court. He was released on a bond in 2024. It looks like they did an arrest warrant for a failure to appear in January of this year. And then when he was brought in related to that and a probation violation, they dismissed the felony on that case and transferred the case to us. I filed accusations on the misdemeanor counts yesterday. So I forwarded the packet with his current bond, which was a UJR through the jail, and I'm happy to present the case if that's what we need to do.
So he already has
Yes.
a bond through the jail that you all don't object to?
Absolutely not.
Okay, so let me just make sure that that's Mr. McLean,
Yes, Your Honor.
did you hear that?
I did.
Mr. Kareem, is that okay with you if we,
So his current bond is how much?
it's UJR through the jail?
Yes, no, that sounds suitable if he's able
Okay,
to
so
take it.
why don't we just make it a $500 signature bond through the jail on each count, makes for a total of a $2,000 signature bond through the jail. Where's the stay away from, Miss Allen?
It's 368 Anger Avenue, I believe. Hold on, let me make sure.
That's got a opinion with a signature. So.
It's 368 Anger, Angeier Avenue Northeast. No contact with Kenneth Harper, who's the resident of that location. No drugs, alcohol, or weapons.
Hey,
And that's agreed with you, Mr. McLean, I take it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and you got that jail court iPhone?
Hey, Judge Monroe.
Yes.
So, the add-on, Malik Kareem, he went to felony court maybe on April the 30th, and he got a $1,000 split bond, $1,000 on possession of Schedule 2, and the possession and use of drug related was a UJR. So I see on the calendar he has a criminal trespass.
It's a different case.
It's a different case.
Yeah, he's got an open Superior Court case.
Okay, so all the 4 charges that he's saying today for misdemeanor is a whole different case.
Yep, we moved forward with it. It's related to the address at Anger Drive.
Okay.
Okay, so did you get that?
All
It's
right.
gonna be a $500 signature bond through the jail on each charge, so it makes it a $2,000 signature bond through the jail. Y'all got that?
all right, yes, sir. Thank you, Judge.
Oh, you're welcome. And does that complete everybody there?
Yes.
Yeah, okay,
Right.
all right, very good. Who do we have on the wing tech there? Do you have business before the court, ma'am?
You talking to me, Judge?
Well, if you have, I was talking to who's ever on the wing tech. I'm not sure. You're coming through as Tisha's iPhone.
Oh, Letitia's
That's-
phone. Yes, sir. I'm Letitia Williams. I was trying to hear my brother's case, Marquavius Williams, but I think you already did it.
No, that was transferred to Superior Court.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he'll get notification of his next hearing date. Ms.
Okay,
Letitia.
thank you so much.
He'll be in court tomorrow for first appearance felony.
Okay.
And who's on the wing tech there?
This is Trelisa Franklin. My dad, I missed my dad case, Jerome Franklin.
Yes, good afternoon, Ms. Franklin. Let's see. Your father, I gave him a signature bond. So he's going to be released as soon as the jail can process him out.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a good rest of your day, ma'am.
So, thank you.
Okay. Yes, Miss Champion, are you ready for me?
Number 1 was a $1,000 bid bond reset to the SAP 515. Position number 2 was a $2,000 bid bond reset SAP 515. Position number 3 was a total of $1,500 bid bond reset SAP 515. Position number 4 is a $500 bid bond. It's going to be reset to the SAP on Tuesday 5/6. Position number 5 is a total of $1,500 good fund reset SAP 515. Position number 6 is a total of a $1,000 good fund reset reset to the SAP 515. Position number 7 is a total of $5,000 free trial bond level 2 reset further notice. Position number 8 is a total of $2,000 free trial level 1 reset further notice. Position number 9 is a total of $2,000 sign up bond for the jail. He will be reset to the SAP on 515 because he has felony charges. Position number 10 is the total of $4,000 free trial bond. Level 2 reset further notice. Position number 11 is a total of $3,000 free trial bond. Level 1 reset further notice. Position number 12 is a total of $3,000 good fund reset SAP 515. Position number 13 is a total of $2,000 good bond reset SAP 515. Position number 14 is a total of $3,000 good bond reset SAP 515. Position number 15 is a total of $4,000 good fund reset SAP 515. Position number 16 is a $5,000 free trial line level 1 reset further notice. Position number 17 is a total of $1,500 good fund reset SAP 515. Add-on position number 1 is a $3,000 free trial line level 2 reset further notice. Add-on position 2 is a $1,000 good fund reset SAP 515. Any questions?
You're on mute, Judge.
Yes, thank you. You all have a good weekend. I'll see you all on Monday.
Thank you, everybody.
Thanks.
And Ms. Champion, I'll get those back to you as soon as you get them to me.
Okay, yes, sir.